Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mike, and welcome to the Storage Shed. Today is April 13th, 2018, and we're going to do another 2015 military MRE review. Now remember, in box A, we got menu 23 at 1, 2, 3, 4, 23. Well, we finally get into menu number 5. Yay for us. All right, so this is chicken chunks, white, cooked, and Ameriqual, yay. This weighed in at 1 pound, 6.9 ounces. The date on here is the 300, really hard to see, 321st day of 2015. Okay, what we're supposed to be getting is diced chicken, first strike bar, cheese spread jalapeno, tortilla, dried fruit, candy 2, I think that's, I don't remember, carbohydrate, electrolyte beverage, and buffalo sauce. Okay. Alright, so 321st day. Go ahead and open this baby up. Now that knife is sharp. I poked myself. Great. Alright, here's another one of those that aren't flat. I think it's about the fifth one. So, this is chicken chunks, packed on the 272nd day of 2015. Oh, candy 2 M&Ms. First strike. I wonder why we're getting a first strike bar and M&Ms, but hey, whatever it is. All right, let's go and pop this buffalo style hot sauce. I don't think I've seen this. Look, that's 1.5. All right, let's get back to, let's go pop this in the pan real quick and get that cooking. And let's scope out our nutritional facts. Chicken chunks, 5 ounce, 142 grams. You know what? I'm wondering even if those chicken chunks should be hot. Yeah, we're going to do it because I just had to stop and figure that out. All right, let's see. 1.5 ounce buffalo. See if I can find a date on here. I see that. There it is, right there. The 299th. I don't know if you can see that or not. Very hard to see. Yeah, it's the 299th day of 2015. 0.85 ounces of grape. And this is the 292nd day of 2015. Our first strike bar. 2.3 ounces, 65 grams, packed on the 306th day. Oh, this is apple cinnamon. I think I've had the apple cinnamon of 2015. And our tortillas, 2.2 ounce, 63 grams, on the 245th day of 2015. Well, I'm just wondering if I should have left that. Well, here. The answer to that is, you know what? We did not get all right, I'm going to pause here and take that out of the pan. Where I was going with that, we did not get a flameless ration heater, so I guess that made that pretty obvious that we should not have tried to make that a hot. And I actually did start to put it in there, but the outside is warm. But you know what? That's just the way it is. Cheese spread with jalapeno. I'm guessing that would be mixed in with our sandwich. 1.5 ounce, 43 grams on the 203rd day of 2015. Cranberries. 2 ounce, 57 grams. The 300th day of 2015. Accessory pack B, So we can get 5 things in B on the 299th day. Well, I wished I wouldn't have put those chicken chunks in the, but they're just kind of semi-warm. So let's go ahead and get our accessory pack going here. So we have some beverage base lemonade. And let's see if that date was underneath here. I can't remember. Nope. On the 253rd day of 2015. So I guess there's 2 lunch menus in here that does not come with the heater. That was the chicken, or the tuna, which was really good, by the way, that Star-Kissed tuna. And I am not going to even use a, you know what, any hot water. I'm just going to make this lemonade and see how well it stirs up. See a big old chunk there at the top. So we're not going to be getting any coffee with this either. We got salt, 4 grams of salt, a moist towelette, toilet paper / napkin, and our gum. So no coffee. Or no, look at the rest of the stuff here. Now, why am I getting pack B with that? Here is a grape powder along with lemonade. You know what? I'm gonna throw that grape off to the side over there. I don't know. Don't know what the deal is. Anyways, I'm going to be having, didn't stir up that great, but yeah. All right, our first strike bar. I had this before. I don't think I cared for it, but I don't remember. It is, well, it's actually not too bad today. I got some cranberries. So this is our lunchy thing along like we did. Oh, I love these things. These were really good, really sweet. Look at that. See with the cranberries. Really sweet. All right, and our tortillas. And let's get these babies opened up. Make sure they don't stick. And I'm just gonna. So we got 3 sweets. We got some M&Ms. These are really good. And that. And let's see how this turned out. Okay, I didn't have it in there for very long, so. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's see what these chicken chunks look like. They look like chicken chunks. Too bad I warmed them up. Alright, let's put about half of them. Oh, crap. Well, let's put them on the tray. Okay. Should have been paying attention, but I wasn't. And throw them on there. They smell really good. I better have one. They taste really good. And we're gonna try this buffalo style hot sauce. Boy, I hope it's not too much for me. let's just taste that. Oh, wow. Wow. It is pretty potent. So I'm going to gently. All right. That's about enough of that nonsense. I better throw a couple more hunks of chicken on there. All right, let's give that a whack. Whoa. That buffalo sauce is pretty warm. Those big fat chicken chunks are wonderful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. I'm sorry to just be wolfing it down. That is so good. I actually fixed me a sandwich earlier today. For their second lunch, I thought this was absolutely wonderful. I'm not going to tear into them M&Ms. Man, these things are so good over here. They're so sweet, just packed full of flavor. Wow. All right, I'll save my grape. Should have cooked up the grape and saved my lemonade because it was a smaller package for a different day. Wow. That is so good. Woo! Jalapeno cheese spread. I'm, if it was regular, I might have thrown that on my tortilla. Wow, but it just, I'll throw that off to the side over there. All right, well, this is a kind of a quick review. I think it's my quickest one I've ever done. Ameriqual, you did exactly, once again, what you said you were supposed to do, and you did, and it was wonderful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This was just, Cousin Matthew would love this. He would probably just go, and say, where's some more of that? All right, I'm going to finish this up. Thanks, everyone, for watching, and we will see you next time on The Storage Shed.